Hi, this is Andrew's Morning News. Hey， 呢度係安祖嘅早安新聞。Hey， 這裡是安祖的早安新聞。There are more than 1,500 new Macau COVID cases till July 11th. People aren't allowed going out except buying food or for special works this week. Dogs aren't allowed going out to poo or pee. People must wear KN95 masks. 自7月11日，澳門新冠病例新增超過1500例。除咗購買食物或者從事特殊工作之外，今個星期人人唔可以上街，狗狗都唔可以上街大小便，人人必須戴上 KN95 口罩。至7月11日，澳門新冠病例新增超過1500例。除了購買食物或從事特殊工作外，今星期人們不得上街，狗狗也不能上街大小便，人們必須戴上 KN95 口罩。
Oh my god, Evan is frustrated.